sold that land to us.
Excuse me?
Are you the man that sold a fake land to us?
Me?
He's the one.
How? I'll sell
What do you mean by how? So you don't know you said a fake.
I connected you guys to Omo Onile.
Why else should I even buy land from Omo Onile? I need my money. I don't want to buy. I'm not buying again.
Then we can connect it back to the Omo Onile then.
I don't need Omo Onile. I need my money back or else.
Go and meet the Omo Onile.
If you've ever thought about buying a land in Lagos, one name probably scared you. Omo Onile. Land grabbers, thugs, endless payments. But how much of that is fact? And how much of it is myth? Today, I'm going to be breaking down 3 common Omo Onile fears with real data and showing you how to beat the system the smart way. According to the Lagos State Land Bureau, over 70% of land transactions processed in the last 5 years have been government-recognized layouts or titled estates. The Omo Onile system thrives mostly on unregulated areas. But when you buy from a registered developer with proper approvals, Omo Onile is completely out of the picture. Here's the truth. Once a land has a valid title, could be C of O, could be a gazette, or excision, you are the legal landowner. In fact, Lagos State has an entire task force on land grabbing, and in 2023 alone, they resolved over 300 cases in favor of rightful owners. The fear is out of the way, right? Omo Onile only succeeds when buyers skip verification. The paperwork protects you, not the street boys. This fear is costing people generational wealth, lots and lots of it. Lagos State population grows by over 600,000 every year. Now, the demand for housing and land is only going one way, up. Avoiding land purchase because of Omo Onile wahala is like refusing to fly because of plane crashes. It ignores the safe majority with successful cases. Once you have the right checks, land is still the strongest wealth builder in Lagos. I can bet my entire savings on it. Our role is to remove those fears by providing clarity, transparency, and secure entry points as low as 3 million naira for an initial deposit. Our estates go through due diligence and title checks before a single plot is sold. And what does that mean? You will never have Omo Onile knocking on your gate for foundation money. Here's the truth. Omo Onile exists, but the myths should not stop people from investing. The main problem is doing the right checks, getting your documents right. So, buying from the right source, confirming your documents will leave you with legal documentation. Lagos is expanding, and every year you wait. The same land only gets more expensive. The choice is simple. Live by fear or build by facts. The choice is yours to make.